Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I think I got a QGRY train here at Jarry Street. It's about 1:45 p.m. on the 6th of June 2022. I've wanted a train in this area of the city for a little while. QGRY comes in the middle of the day. Just heading north towards what's it called there? Headed towards the yard at St. Canute, I think they call it. I saw those locomotives in the yard on my way into the city on the CP line this morning, on the Vaudreuil line, waiting in St. Luc, so I knew it was going to come sooner or later. A nice long train too. I love those vintage SD40-3s. That's the end of the train. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.